Audio Jungle.
In this video I'm gonna make Schezwan chutney. Let's start. I have taken 10 dry red chili, soaked it for 20 minutes, oil, finely chopped ginger garlic, soy sauce, tomato sauce, and required salt. For making Schezwan chutney, I am adding the dry red chili to the blender. Then I am adding the finely chopped ginger and garlic. Add required amount of water and grind it to a fine paste. I am using the soaked water. Smooth chili paste is ready. Let's make the sauce. Schezwan sauce or Schezwan. For making Schezwan sauce, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, I am adding the grinded chili paste. Add some water to it. Mix it well. If you want, you can add some more water. Stir it for a few minutes in a medium flame. The chili paste should cook well in the oil. Oil started separating now. At this stage I am adding requirement of salt, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, one tablespoon tomato ketchup. This is to adjust the spice and it gives a tangy flavor for the Schezwan sauce. Mix it well. After a few minutes, the oil is separated well, water content is dried, the thick sauce is ready. The consistency should be like this. Schezwan sauce is ready. You can turn off the flame. Transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. Homemade Schezwan sauce is ready. Now you can make your favorite Chinese recipes with this sauce at home. Try this recipe. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Comment your feedback. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Food Fandom.